Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are starting a series of lectures on the subject CT 262 Quantity Surveying 1. This subject is related to the DA second year civil, and I am your teacher, Professor Nasir Ali. Today's topic is measurement of length. You can see here. Length may be measured in mile, in kilometer, in meter, in yards, in foot, in inches, in centimeter, in millimeter, etc. The short form for kilometer is km, the short form for meter is m, for yards is yds, for foot is ft, for inch is in, for centimeter is cm, and for millimeter is mm. This is the conversion from meter to centimeter. If you want to convert 1 meter into centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. And if we want to reverse the procedure, centimeter to meter, we will divide this 1 by this 100 and we will get this factor 0.01. Now take the example 5.5 meter into the centimeter. For this we will take this 100 centimeter by multiply this 5.5 and we will get 550 centimeter. Now convert 95 centimeter into the meter. We will multiply this 95 by 0.01. This is the factor 0.09 and this is the factor here, and we are getting 0.95 meter. This is another factor conversion, meter to millimeter, and we must remember 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. And if we want to millimeter to meter, this 1 divided by 1000 and we will get this factor 0.001. Convert 2.1 meter into the millimeter. For this we will take 2.1 and multiply by this by 1000. This is the 1000 and we will get 2100 mm. If we want to convert 110 mm into the meter, we will multiply this 110 by 0.001 and we will get 0.11 meter. This is the centimeter to millimeter conversion and millimeter to centimeter conversion. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm, must be remembered, and 1 mm is equal to 0.1 centimeter. And this 0.1 centimeter we are getting from here 1 divided by this 10 and we are getting this 0.1 factor. Convert 4.1 centimeter into the mm. We will just multiply 4.1 by 10. This is the 10 here, you can see, and we are getting 41 mm. If we want to convert 45 mm into the centimeter, just 45 multiply by 0.1, this is the 0.1 factor, and we will get 4.5 mm centimeter. This is another conversion, kilometer to meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, must be remembered. And if you want to reverse the procedure, 1 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometer. And this 0.001 kilometer is getting here 1 divided by 1000 and 1 divided by 1000, and we are getting this factor of conversion 0.001. Convert 5 kilometer into the meter. 5 multiplied by this 1000 and we are getting this 5000 meter. Convert 1210 meter into the kilometer. We will multiply 1210 by this 0.001 meter and we are getting 1.210 kilometer. Meter to feet conversion. 1 meter always equal to 3.28 feet, must be remembered. And if you want to convert foot to meter conversion, we will get by this 1 divided by 3.28 and we will get this factor 0.305. Convert 5.5 meter into the feet, 5.5 into multiply by 3.28 this factor, and we will get 18.04 feet. Convert 1000 feet into the meter, just 1000 multiply by 0.305 this factor, and we will get 305 meter. Conversion from meter to yard, we must remember 1 meter is equal to 1.09 yards, and yard to meter, this 1 yard is equal to 0.917, and 0.917 is getting from here 1 divided by this 1.09, and we are getting this factor 0.917. Convert 15 meter into the yards, 15 multiply by this 1.09 factor, and we are getting this 16.345 yards. Convert 120 yards into the meter, 120 multiply by 0.917, and we are getting this 110.04 meter. One yard is equal to 3 feet, must be remembered. This is the conversion from yard to feet, and 1 foot is equal to 0.33 yard, and this is also is getting 1 divided by 3, and we are getting 0.33 yard. Convert 17 yards into feet, 17 multiply by this 3, and we are getting 51 feet. 120 multiply by 0.33, and we are getting 120 feet into the yards, 40 yards. Foot to inches conversion, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, must remember, and 1 inch is equal to 0.08 feet, and 1 divided by 12 we are getting this 0.08 feet factor. 17 feet into the inches conversion, 17 multiplied by 12 we are getting 204 inches, and 15 inches into the feet, 15 multiplied by 0.08 feet, and we are getting 1.2 feet. 1 inch is equal to 2.54, 1 centimeter is equal to 0.393, 1 divided by 2.54 we are getting this factor 0.393. Convert 17 inches into the centimeter, 17 multiplied by this factor 2.54, and we are getting 43.18. Convert 15 centimeter into the inches, 15 multiplied by 0.393 this factor, this is the factor, and we are getting 5.989 inches. Mile to kilometer conversion, 1 mile is equal to 1.609 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 0.6215 mile. Convert 2.2 mile into the kilometer, just 2.2 multiplied by 1.609, we are getting 3.5398 kilometer. 1.5 kilometer into the mile, 1.5 multiplied by 0.6215, and we are getting 0.93 mile. This is some important conversion, inch to feet conversion. 1 inch is equal to 0.08 feet, must be remembered. Two inches is equal to 0.16 feet. 3 inches is equal to 0.25 feet. 4 inches is equal to 0.33 feet, and so 4 up to 12 inches is equal to 1 feet. These factors must be remembered. Convert 12 feet into inches. This is the assignment. You can convert all these questions